Okay, we're gonna be giving her a bath after this. Ooh, that's good. Oh, that's so good. And it does get watery, doesn't it?
Once you
Just let her hold it.
Oh God,
Mom, you have to let her do it. Here, Scott, continue, because I gotta get Mom's pizza out of the thing.
It
Don't
takes
go
about
over a
12
minute.
to 15 minutes and it hasn't been in that long.
Well, it's starting to burn.
Is that good? Is that yummy? Oh, poor little thing. It's like you've never been fed before in your life. Yeah. Say nobody feeds you around here, huh?
How does that look?
Perfect. Oh, good. Yummy. Is that good? Huh? Can I have a spoon though? Maybe we ought to have 2 spoons.
She'll eat off this little metal spoon. Let me wash it. Let me see what Brandy's got in here.
chowing down.
I can't even get the spoon in because she's holding my hand.
I know. I told you it's the highway entertaining.